I'm Shashwat from Oguvee2 and we are at Spikes with the fabulous funny man Gursimran Khamba. Gursimran, fabulous talk.
Thank you.
What are your top tips for creating content?
I think the first one is be yourself. I think that's also the only one. I think if you pretend to be someone you're not, so if you're actually boring, make boring videos. If you're actually funny, make funny stuff. Just be authentic, and I think people sort of connect with the fact. They connect with you if they can sense whether it's real or not. So I think that's my only tip.
You talked about how you use comedy to shape culture in India. How would you take comedy to use it in advertising?
I think a lot of people actually ended up doing that, right? Like some of the most iconic ads that we remember even now are something that made us laugh. Like to give an Indian example, there's this one Fevikwik ad where the guy basically takes a rod and puts 4 dots and he puts it in the stream, and 4 fish are stuck to it, and just dumb stuff like that. I think in general, if you make people laugh, they are generally they're more receptive to you, and that's the same whether it's advertising or whether you're hitting on a girl at a bar. Like it's exactly the same principle. So I think that happens enough already.
Comedians have a viral factor. They engage really well. What skill sets do you think comedians can get to the advertising agency so that they can work collaboratively?
I think what a lot of comics end up doing is they bring insight. I think what makes a joke work is if you can take something very complex but boil it down to like one very simple basic core idea. And I think as comedians that's what you do, which I also think is a very direct overlap with advertising, right? Like you take a product and you're supposed to boil down whether one emotion, whether it's one thing that the product does. So I think in general you're working on the same principles. So I think there is a very simple and obvious overlap that already happens in terms of finding that one core element that defines that product or that brand.
Perfect. And how do you usually work with brands?
So we do a lot of stuff with brands as AIB. A lot of people, for example, who want to get in touch with us to create digital content specifically for those brands. So we worked with a variety of them. We worked with a brand called Quicker. We worked with Microsoft on the Xbox launch. We worked with Red Bull. So a lot of brands that we also personally use. So we end up creating a lot of digital stuff for them, whether it's jokes, whether it's actually something that's product positioning, and most of them go on their YouTube channels or their digital platforms. So we've been working and sort of figuring our way around the industry as well, and it's actually very exciting because it's a new, different type of audience, and it's a different type of brief as well.
Do you have the creative control or do you leave it to the brands?
No, I think one thing I think brands also, you have to give them credit. They come to us and they trust us with it. And I think the only way it will work is if it's trust, right? So they leave it to us and we're like, okay, trust us with it and we won't mess with your thing. Obviously they give us a brief and we work to that, but we end up taking final creative calls. So that's a very privileged position to be in, and hopefully it lasts like for a while.
Fabulous. That was Mr. Gursimran Khamba from Spikes. Thank you for having us. Thank you.
Thank you.